You mind if I put in my favorite CD?
Put on some tunes.
Yeah, what's this? Oh, this is great. My favorite NSYNC song. Here we go. Press play. Let's see what's on the radio here.
Come on, Bailey, sing.
What's on the radio? Talk radio. Talk radio would be good. Talk radio.
All the news today. Well, there's not much going on.
You know what? No music here. No music. Oh, whoa. Am I hearing a flat tire?
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, the flat tire. Let's get out of our doors here.
Let me see if I can. Well, go to the trunk. Get the tools
get the trunk.
first. Go to the trunk.
What is that? Okay, good. You go to that side. Good. I got it. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Get the nuts off here. There we go. Whoa, you got an automatic. Get that tire off. Get the other tire punch. Yes. We did it. We're at church.
We're at church.
It's gonna be a great service.
This is going to be awesome. Let's just enter into praise and worship here.
Yeah, we're ready.
Welcome to church.
I love Andy Christmas.
You know what? This is just too loud for me. Though. I'm gonna go in the lobby. Yeah, let's go in the lobby. Oh, it's much quieter out in the lobby. It's much better. Much better.
It's good.
Can we get an amen?
Amen. Amen. Well, church is over now.
There it is.
This is awesome.
Quick service.
Now the crowd's all coming out. Wow.
Wow. Look at everybody.
Look at everybody.
What a great day.
Perfect.
All right. Let's go home. Back to our apartment. All right. There it is. Thank you guys so much. Great job.
That was awesome. That was cool. Okay. We want to do one more thing with you guys, and we just want to kind of have a time where we can, we wanted to do something where we can kind of work on getting to know each other.